Welcome back, bakers. It's day 4 of my 5-day gluten-free sourdough challenge. And today's loaf, it's something a little bit different. I'm making a granola sourdough bread. Yes, you heard that right. Granola inside bread. This loaf is made with the same master dough I mixed on day 1. It's been cold fermented, getting better, more flavor, and today I folded a big handful of my favorite gluten-free homemade granola for extra crunch, sweetness, texture, and guess what? Because I wanted to. It was just something that came out to my mind. I've had it before and I thought, why not? And you can do it too. You mix whatever you want, whatever your heart desires to add to this bread. Your bread, your choice. I added 2 tablespoons of plant-based yogurt. You can use whatever yogurt you like. And a cup of granola. I mix it all through well combined. If you don't like your hands to get all sticky, you can always use a mixing tool or a mixer. Up to you. Flour your surface generously with rice flour, bottom and top, and start kneading the dough. After all is well combined and the dough feels nice, we shape the dough, place it into a banetone to proof for 3 to 4 hours. Like I've said before in previous videos, it all depends on the temperature of your house. It might take longer or less time. Keep an eye on it after 2 hours, okay? After proofing, preheat your oven at 500 Fahrenheit degree. And for this bread and all of the breads that I add other ingredients, I did a simple crust bread score and bake it for 50 to 60 minutes until it was golden brown. The results, a rustic, hearty loaf with little bites of oat clusters, seeds, dry fruit throughout. It was delicious. It's perfect for breakfast with your favorite spread, butter, nut butter, or just slice it on its own. I love how versatile this one dough can be. So far, we've made artisan rolls, a flour crusty bread, a classic sandwich loaf, and now a slightly sweet, snacky granola loaf. All with 0 gum, no yeast, and completely gluten-free and plant-based. Thanks for joining me today on day 4. Tomorrow is the final day, and we're finishing with something extra special. You don't want to miss it. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss a thing.